Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails, and I have some questions for you. Do you like porn stars? I'm sorry, ma'am. Do you like martinis? I'm sorry, Dad. Those are rhetorical questions. Today we're going to make a tequila sunrise. The tequila sunrise was invented in Ireland by an Irishman. The origin of the story goes, a man by the name of Ashley Kelly had had his maid invent this drink. Ashley Kelly had inherited a family fortune from his great-grandfather, John Joe Kelly, who of course famously, that's right, invented the orange colour which goes on the traffic cones. John Joe had passed down his fortunes to Ashley, and Ashley had hired himself some man-maids, one by the name of Little Stevie Breslington. When things got very busy in the Kelly manor, Little Stevie Breslington brought in some reinforcements in the form of his brother Andy, and together they were a lethal force. They became endeared to Ashley Kelly, who was a big man around town despite having a girl's name, and they commonly called him Kellier. Kellier had many strange rules, you see, but one in particular which he had was he wanted a cup of tea at morning sunrise every day. This was fair, and the Breslingtons stuck to this rule. However, one night the Breslingtons brought themselves a small bottle of tequila to work and had, let's say, one or too many, resulting in sun coming up. Upon realising this, Stevie turned to young Andy and he says, "Tea! Kellier! Sunrise!" What Andy heard was, tequila and sunrise? So he poured another tequila for himself to have during sunrise. When Stevie seen the error of his ways, he quickly poured orange juice into the glass to try and make it look like tea. He was drunk, so you'll forgive him. And so was born the tequila sunrise. This is how it's made. First of all, you're going to fill a shaker with ice. And you're going to add 45 mils of tequila. This is Jose Cuervo tequila. I would recommend getting a different tequila if you were in the market for one. This one is horrible. 45 mils. And then it's going to be 90 mils of orange juice. So I'm just going to freehand pour this because I know how much it would be roughly. Again, always use freshly squeezed orange juice. I get mine from the good people at Squeeze. We're going to give this a good shake. So again, this is juice and alcohol. That's why it's shaken. So you're going to infuse it so you don't get a big taste of tequila towards the end of the drink. And we're going to pour this over ice. So up until this point, it's similar to the cocktail, the Screwdriver, which is vodka and orange juice, but this one is made with tequila. And this is the sunrise element of it. You're going to add grenadine syrup, and you're going to add a quarter shot of this. And this is to give the sunrise effect. And that, my friends, is the tequila sunrise. To the Breslingtons. If you do enjoy this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. When I grow up, I want to be the next Little Tay. Thank you. Ooh, despite the tequila, that's a really good drink.